Hi everyone! Today we have this Lexus LS style body kit for Toyota Camry 8th generation. Fits from 2018 to 2021 models. At first sight, you could see this is a nice bumper. You could choose this gray color grille as in the video. It looks like a little chrome, but it is gray. Or you could choose gloss black color grille. The bumper itself is a basic primer expected you to paint. It has the pre-drilled holes for camera, sensors, and the fog lights. Bumper material is as same as the OEM material quality and made with injection technology, so it can guarantee the fitment with installation holes according to the OEM Camry. Don't need any modifications, but just plug and play. The bumper is sturdy and flexible. Better performance with collision. Here is the backlip diffuser, directly adding to your rear bumper with screws and tape. This kit could make your driving more stable, releasing the air smoothly out and make your car back look more stylish. Thanks for watching and Happy New Year!